Hi everyone and welcome back to CraftyGirlzSA. I am Kerry and today this is just a quick video. I just wanted to see whether these little clothing refreshers work in resin or not, and if they do, I will be able to use them in some of my other projects. So I hope you enjoy the video.
I have my little bathtub mold and I have a little bit of my epoxy resin, and then I got these from a little local store. They're actually clothing fresheners. I'm assuming you put it in your cupboard and it's actually got a really nice smell. So what I thought was, I'm going to fill up this mold, well, not fill it up, put them into, I don't know if that's the inside or the outside. No, it's on the inside. There we go. Put it into the resin and pour it around as a base for my bathtub mold, because I'll be quite interested. They do come in all different colors. So I thought I'd just get the green and try it. If it works, then I will get some other colors. If it doesn't work, well, then we don't have a bathtub mold or tray. And that color is lovely. I'm not sure if all the color is going to come out. It already looks like it is going to, but it might just add to the look of it. So I am going to pour it into the bathtub mold. It's actually going to fill up more than I thought. I thought it was only going to do the bottom. I should have put this on my turntable. Actually put some more in. Oh, it's got a really strong smell. Nothing like mothballs, luckily, but I'm sure it would actually make your cupboard smell really nice. Oh, good. We're actually going to get quite far with them. Like I said, once I have made sure that it cures and doesn't all dissolve, then I will decide what I am going to do with the rest of the mold, or the tray. Or it's a bit of a difficult one to name this, because it's a bathtub mold, but it's not really a tray. So, well, I am very impressed. It's actually taken it right to the top of the lip. That is amazing. That's it. Try and scoop as much of that clear out as I can. If you hear Marshall, I'm sorry. The birds outside, again, as usual, are danger, and he gets very annoyed that they have the audacity to be in his garden. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. I'll switch off now and I will clean this up and then it can cure. This has cured beautifully. Absolutely beautifully. So I'm going to do the bottom and I'm just going to use some of my shimmer. Right, so I'm going to put a little bit of this in and I'm just going to do the bottom with that. Because I still don't know what I'm doing inside it. I'm not sure what I want to do. I think I might use it as a little bathroom holder for bath bombs or something like that. That's pretty. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use it to put bath bombs or something like that in because I think it looks bathroomy. And I think just the white shimmer at the bottom will be pretty. Right, let's do this. And I'll leave that to cure. So this is cured now. So I am very interested to see how it turns out. Oh, sneak peek. Oh, wow. Try not to cut myself. This one is going to need a little bit of cleaning up. And of course, Marshall has to do that when I am unmolding. Look at those. Oh, wow. Those are gorgeous. And they've kept the green color. I have a bubble there. It's quite a big bubble. But other than that, there's another one. But to be quite honest, I think it looks gorgeous. So now I have to think of what I'm going to do with it.
So I'm sure you noticed that I was really excited about how they came out. They didn't melt or anything in the resin. They came out really nicely. So I got a rather large bath bomb. It's actually my granddaughter's, and I used that for the photos. I do think it came out really nicely, and I do think it will be nice as a bathroom tray, if you want to call it a tray. So they do work, and I am going to go and get some more of the other colors so that I can use them in some of my other molds. So it was a quick video, and if you can get hold of any of these, then I would suggest using them in the molds because I think they came out really nicely. So guys, again, until next time, have a great one.